Hello guys, this is Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video. Today we're talking about my employment options. Now, this company has been around for a long time, and their mission is to help disabled people find work at home jobs. Here goes their mission statement. My employment options is an authorized National Security Administration employment network in the Ticket to Work program. Our clients are recipients of Social Security disability benefits and SSI and receive our free help to find suitable employment in either work at home or community jobs. They service 48 states. Now, I'm not quite sure which states they don't service, but I can bet you one of them is probably California. California is notoriously difficult to find work at home jobs in. But anyway, the reason why I'm talking about this today is because they are having a job fair coming up in October 12th, 2023. These are the hours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I just want you guys, if you have a disability, to go to this job fair. You do have to sign up. Early registration is open right now, and it's open to the general public, and it's open nationwide. So even if you are in one of those states that are kind of hard to find work at home jobs in, I would still go over there and sign up, register, and attend. This is a virtual online event, so you don't have to, leave your home or anything. Let's see, they also have a job board that you can come over and look at your leisure. And this is like a program that is run by an arm of the government. So these might not be government jobs, but these are legit jobs posted by the people that run this. And you can take the community job off and just look at work at home jobs. Alright, so let me see, is there anything else? We looked at their about. Oh, there was one more thing I wanted to look at. Job fair. And there's a free webinar coming up. And this one is for resumes, job application tips. So you can get your resume set. You can also get some tips for applying for jobs. There we go. Whether you need tips, resumes, do's or don'ts for interviews, or learn about free Social Security Ticket to Work program, their professional staff will be there to help you. So definitely go over there and sign up for this one. You have to register. And go and sign up for the job fair. And I hope that you guys find something that fits your life and what you need. So with that being said, don't forget about the Discord. It is free. This is posted in the Discord. I have a specific tab for people with disabilities to help them find what they need, because I know it's difficult. But yeah, with that being said, this is my tab over here on Discord. I have posted several different things. Other people post things in here. So if you are disabled and you are looking for a job, please come over. It is free. It's always going to be free. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you guys would like to donate to help me get my car fixed, my GoFundMe will be down below, along with my Cash App. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.